Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm at Penrith. It is nearly the end of morning peak, and yeah, if you can see the mist in the background, that is not fog, it is in fact smoke, thick smoke, due to a major backburning operation in the Blue Mountains. We've got a Springwood service departing platform number 3. Oscars H54 and H48. Now, it's only been about a month since I've filmed at Penrith, but the reason why I'm here so close to the last vlog that I did at Penrith is because I'm expecting a transfer with an 81 class leading 2 X classes, a G class and an S class, and it's not a common sight, so that's why I'm filming here. But before this transfer passes Penrith, I just thought I'll just film as many trains as possible between now and then. Emu Plains service arriving into platform number 3. After Penrith, this train will stop at Emu Plains only. The leading set is H14. With H7 trailing. Lithgow service arriving into platform number 3. This will be all stations to Lithgow. The set is V10. (9:25) service to Central from the Blue Mountains, now arriving into platform 2. The set is V13. It's currently running 2 minutes late. Emu Plains service arriving into platform 3. Oscars H46 and H37. Over on platform 1 we have A33, which will be departing shortly for a city service.
Lincoln Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Penrith, and then all stations to Hornsby. This train is now due to depart. Please stand clear. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to
As you can see, there is some construction going on here. Penrith station is getting an upgrade. I'm not too sure exactly what's happening just yet, but yeah, all I know is that there's signs everywhere saying Penrith station upgrade. So yeah, it could be pretty exciting to see how it turns out.
Then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby.
Just thought I'd let that announcement play for you guys. Anyway, the VSET on platform 3 is a Mount Victoria service. The set is V14. After Penrith, this train will stop at Emu Plains, then Lapston, Glenbrook, Blaxland, Warramoo, Valley Heights, Springwood, and then all stations to Katoomba, then Medlow Bath, Blackheath, and Mount Victoria. We've got an Oscar approaching platform 3, H31 leading. This train terminates. H51 trailing.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to...
The Oscar's just going into the yard. Approaching platform 2, we have a North Sydney service. This train will stop all stations to Lidcombe, then Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern, Central, then all stations to North Sydney. H37 leading. And H46 trailing. And over on platform 1 we have T100, which is going to be trailing a city service. Central Sydney Terminal service arriving into platform number 2. This train came from the Blue Mountains. V15. Alright, we've got A11 on platform 3. This is an EMU plane service. The transfer with the 81 class, 2X classes and a G class should be behind this Waratah. I've been notified that S306 is not part of this consist. But still, it is not very common that you see an X class around the Sydney area. Well, for me anyway. I mean, I'm out filming a heck of a lot at a lot of locations, but yeah, I've only ever gotten an X class once or twice on video. We have V2 passing through platform 3. It's an empty train. For those who would like to know the consist of the transfer that passed before this VSET, the leading loco was 8151, followed by X50, DL47, X49 and G519, and these are headed to Lithgow. We have V41 on platform 2. This is a central service. After Penrith, this train will stop at Blacktown, then Parramatta, Strathfield and Central. And to the right on platform number 1, we have A61, which will depart soon for a city service. Sorry.
Smoking is not allowed at this station or on trains. Fines apply. Thank you.
The train on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University. First stop Kingswood, then all stations to Blacktown.
We've got an Oscar that's just about to pass platform number 3. It's H31 and H51 again. We've got A61, just about to depart platform 1 for a city service. Its next stop being Kingswood. And we have a Waratah about to pass through platform number 2. It's an empty run to Seven Hills. It is A46. I just realised something. I forgot to wrap this vlog up. I'm actually in Bankstown now. But anyway guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, favourite the video, and thank you all for watching, and goodbye for now.